Hey everybody, it's Lisa from ToCreateAWebsite.com, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create an ebook or a PDF using Microsoft Word 2010, the latest version of Word. I have a video on this, but it's outdated, so I wanted to do a more current one. So I'm going to use my book, Niche Website Success, as the example. This is the book, my latest book, that basically talks about how to make money the way I've been making money for now the past 14 years. And creating this book was very, very easy. You just type it like you would a regular document. If you want to make hyperlinks, you just select the text like this, go up to Insert, and then Hyperlink. Type the hyperlink right here in the address box, and then hit OK. And then Word will hyperlink the text, and it will also work in the PDF as well. So before you convert your book into a PDF, you want to create a table of contents to make it easy for your customers to find various parts of the book. So the one thing you want to keep in mind is when you are creating your book, always make sure that your titles and any kind of main subheads that you're going to want to appear in your table of contents, all the chapter titles and all that, make sure they have a style associated with them. So if you go up here to the Home tab and click that, you can see that when I put my mouse over Chapter 1, it has a Heading 1 label. So any chapter, all my chapters are Heading 1s, and all of my other main important subheads are Heading 2s, because I want these titles to appear in my table of contents. So it's very important that you do this ahead of time because it'll make creating your table of contents much easier. So after you've done that, you're going to go up to where your table of contents is going to be inserted. So for me, this is right here. And so you're going to put your mouse there. Now you're going to go up to References and click Table of Contents. Now you can choose any format that you want. I always just go with the first one. So you're going to click that. And just like that, Word has created my table of contents. And when you click, you can do Control click on any page number. It'll automatically take the person to that section of the book. Now, when your book is in the PDF form, they won't have to hit Control click. They'll just be able to click with their mouse. But when you're in Word to test it, you have to hold down the Control key and click the number like this. So see how easy that was? Now you have a table of contents that automatically goes to the appropriate pages. And if you ever update your book and the page numbers change or the titles here change, all you do is click over the table of contents until it turns gray, right click, say Update Field, and you can choose to either update the page numbers only or update the entire table if you've changed, say, some titles or something like that. And say OK, and it'll update all of the page numbers for you. So you don't have to worry about going in manually and making these changes. So you gotta love that. So now you're ready to make your PDF. And the great thing about Microsoft Word 2010 is that you don't need Adobe Acrobat to make your PDF. Microsoft has their own built-in conversion tool. So you just go up here to File, and you go to Save and Send. And down here where it says File Types, you say Create PDF. And you click Create PDF over here, create a name for it, and say Publish. And in just a few seconds, your book will be created. And there it is. It's super large, so let's zoom out a little bit. So here's my book. And all of my hyperlinks and everything works. So now when I click, let's go to the table of contents. When I click any of the page numbers, it goes right to the section of the book. So my book is done. Now the only thing you want to do now is password protected, so people can't select your content, right click, and copy it. So because I have Adobe Acrobat Professional, I can do this right here in the software. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat and you don't want to pay the $150, $200 or whatever it costs, you can use Primo PDF, which is a free piece of software that will allow you to password protect your PDF. So do a Google search for this. The address is pretty long, but it's a CNET download. So if you Google Primo PDF, you can get to the site where you can download it. So if you have Adobe Acrobat, as I do, you come up here to Advanced, Security, Password Encrypt. You check the box that says Restrict Editing and Printing, and then you put your password in here, and then you choose whether or not you want this to print in high or low. And then if you don't want people to be able to make changes, then you say none. Now, if you have editable fields in your book, like forms, then you'll have to choose the appropriate option down here. But since I don't, I just say none. Then I say okay. I insert the password again, say okay. It told me it didn't match because I didn't really insert a real password. But after you do that, you hit save, and then now your book will be secure. So how do you know your book is really secure? When you open it up with Adobe Acrobat, you should see the word secured up in the top left corner. That's how you know people cannot right-click and copy your content. So now you're ready to upload your book to your website so people can download it after they order it. But before you do that, you'll want to zip it up and put it in a zip file because it makes it easier for people to download. So find the file on your computer, and you're going to right-click it and say send to compressed zip folder and hit enter. And just like that, here's the zip file. Now I've got spaces in here. You really want to take out the spaces because a lot of Linux servers don't like spaces in the file. So, take that out. And then now you're ready to upload this zip file to your web host. You can do that through an FTP program, or you can do it directly through your web host. So then you just send people to yoursite.com/whatever the name of the book is .zip, and they can download your book. So now you're ready to invite people to download it. You can sell it. You can use ClickBank or eJunkie to actually sell the book and then have an affiliate program for your book. The options are endless. So if you're looking for other monetization options for your site, an ebook is a great way to go. Unlike Amazon or AdSense, where you're at the mercy of the company, you could be banned, you could be kicked out because of different tax laws. Nobody can take your own product away from you. And you can control your own profit margin and all that because it's your product. My ebook sales now have surpassed my income from my old 9-to-5 job. So it's so nice to be able to have another source of income that I can control. And I think that should be your goal when you are trying to make money online. You don't want to just be dependent upon affiliate programs and AdSense and those kinds of things. Create your own book, sell it, and now you've got your own product. And if you use services like ClickBank or eJunkie to sell your product, you'll have an instant affiliate program for your book so other people can sell it and earn a commission. So I hope this video was helpful, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.